Hi, this is how you factory restore the JBL Live 780NC headphones to their original settings, making them forget any sound profiles and Bluetooth connections. A factory reset is also a good thing to do if the headphones are malfunctioning in any way to try and clear the problem. There are two ways to factory reset the Live 780NC. One is through the JBL Headphones app, where you can select the third tab called Other, followed by Support, and then Reset to Factory Setting. If you don't want to bother with opening the app and connecting the headphones to your phone though, or for whatever reason can't do so, an even simpler way of resetting the headphones is using the buttons on the actual headphones themselves. Here, first make sure that the headphones has got some power in them and that they are turned on. Then press and hold the volume down button and the ANC button for just over 5 seconds. The headphones here then turns themselves off and back on. When they start back up, they are then automatically set to pairing mode, ready to be connected to a new device. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.